This is electronic control unit designed and made and manufactured by Sensor-tecknik Wiedmann. Designed for assembling in this telescopic forklift JLG 3513. However, a family of these units are widely used in many other types and models of heavy-duty machinery. The problems of that loader manipulator lose the control from the side of hand manipulator joystick. Executor pin out was out of order, and this programmable integral logic chip was replaced and served for the assignment of its logic pinout was reattributed by editing of data located in this program, in this memory, flash memory chip located here. And finally, loader became sensitive to commands from joystick, and machine came to order.